What's wrong, Coco? What's wrong? You trying to figure it out? Huh? You trying to figure out how to make friends with these kitty cats? Huh? You trying to figure it out? You trying to make friends with Sammy? Coco, hush. Hush, Coco. Hush. Look, Sammy and Paisley and Fluffy, they're all in the room with you. This is the first time you've all been in the room together. Look, they're in the room with you. Hush, Coco. Coco, what is it? What is it, Coco?
Sammy?
You can't believe the kitties came in the room together? Huh? Coco. Coco, it's okay. Coco. Coco. Come here, Coco. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Coco, sit. Coco, sit. Coco, sit. Come here. It's okay. Come here, Coco. Coco. Come here, girl. Come here, Coco. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. It's okay. It's okay. Sammy, it's okay. Coco. Coco. Hey, sit. Come on, Coco, sit. Sit, Coco, sit. Come on, Coco. It's okay. It's okay. Sit, girl. Sit. Hush. Hush. It's okay. Coco. Sit. Sit, Coco. Coco, sit. Coco, sit. Coco, sit. Sit. Sit, Coco, sit. Sit, girl, sit. Sit, Coco, sit.
She is sitting.
Good girl. You can't get that collar off. Forget it. You can't get that collar off. You can't get that collar off. Don't even try. Are you done saying hi to the kitties? Now that they're all in the same room together? Huh? Are you done saying hi to the kitties? Did you say hi to Sammy? Did you say hi to Sammy? Coco, you cannot get your collar off. I'm sorry. You can't get your collar off. I'm sorry. Come here. Come here, little one. Come here. Come here, little girl. Come here, little girl. What are you doing? What are you doing, little girl? What are you doing, little girl? Coco, what are you doing, little girl? You can't get the collar off. Forget it. Coco. Coco. Coco, girl. Psst. Coco. Oh, what a cute puppy. You want to go back to sleep? Are you tired now that you barked yourself out? You gonna go back to sleep? Coco. Coco. Coco.
That's not cool.
Again, Coco. Again. Trying to figure out the kitty cats. Sammy's not having it. Sammy's not having it, Coco. Look at Fluffy and Paisley. They're not moving either. They're just sitting there. They're not going to leave anymore. They're not afraid of you anymore. They're saying it's their house too. Sit down. Sit. Sit, girl. Sit. Good girl. Good Coco. Good Coco. Good girl. Coco. Coco, sit. Sit. Sit, Coco. Oh well. You guys are all going to have to get used to each other. You're just going to have to get used to those kitty cats. You're just going to have to get used to those kitty cats, okay, Coco? Coco. Hey, get off my wood. Don't you bite on my chairs, Missy. Don't you bite on my wood. Psst. Coco. Psst. Are you showing your teeth? Are you showing your teeth? Are you showing your teeth, huh? Are you showing your teeth? Are you showing your teeth, little pup? Are you showing your teeth, you little pup? Are you showing your teeth, little pup? Ah! You can't bite on me. You can't bite my knee. Oh, good puppy. Are you a good puppy? Are you a good puppy? Are you a good puppy? Close up. Close up. Close up of little Coco. Close up of the little baby Coco. Alright, that's enough. Filming's done. No more kitty cats. No more barking. Time to go to sleep.